Welcome home, friend. I am so excited to show you this stunning home with a pool in Park Glen. This well-maintained home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,900 square feet of living space. This 2-story floor plan features 2 living rooms and 2 dining rooms and has a large laundry room. The kitchen comes equipped with gas appliances and a picture window over the sink because this yard is breathtaking. All the fun happens downstairs in this home, and it has a half bathroom downstairs for your convenience. Follow me upstairs to discover 3 large bedrooms with walk-in closets and 2 full bathrooms. This owner suite is a must-see. The bathroom has been updated to feature a large walk-in shower, and it looks and feels like a spa. During the summer, entertain in style by your large inground pool or relax and enjoy this large back patio that has been meticulously maintained and landscaped. This home has it all and is located on a corner lot. It is nestled nicely in the mature community of Park Glen and is conveniently close to all shopping and highways. It is also in the highly coveted Birdville ISD and is zoned for Grace Hardeman Elementary School, Watauga Middle School, and Haltom High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin Group.